Have we reached the death of utopia? This is far from perfect. This is in no way ideal. It is impossible for utopia to exist in this day and age, in the age of the Anthropocene, an era dominated by human activities. We have brought upon a world of dystopia. We are quickly and aggressively destroying our planet. We are a force of nature. We are the first species to actively transform the planet. This video essay will take a close look at the Kurnell Peninsula and explore the ways in which the Caltex oil refinery and the Kurnell landfill site are impacting its surrounding environment. Operations for the Caltex oil refinery at Kurnell began in 1956. In recent years, the refining plant has been shut down, now operating as a fuel import terminal. The refinery caused some catastrophic damage in its lifetime of 58 years. Between 1957 and 1988, there were 31 oil spills in the ocean recorded, each of which were more than 169 litres of oil. 1979 saw a sudden mass mortality of marine life in Botany Bay, caused by a 95-ton oil spill. More recently, in 2014, another oil spill occurred to which Caltex said was due to heavy rain.
Blaming the weather for the oil spill is a weak excuse. The pollution control systems at the refinery should be built to cope with heavy rain. This company is a repeat offender which appears to treat pollution penalties as a cost of doing business.
You cannot put a price on our environment. We cannot afford to be polluting the oceans like this. The Kurnell landfill site is a major source of pollution for the areas surrounding the Kurnell Peninsula, in particular Tower Point Nature Reserve. The Botany Bay Sands aquifer is extremely vulnerable to contamination due to its permeable soils and shallow water table, which poses as a threat to the ecological character of Tower Point. Heavy metals from the landfill such as chromium, nickel and lead may have contaminated the surface water of the aquifer. This chart outlines the key threats to Tower Point. Rubbish surrounds the roads of the landfill, eventually ending up in the bay. With the landfill being in close proximity to the coast, it is inevitable that a percentage of the waste will contaminate the waterways. Society must be attuned to these situations so that we can act accordingly, working towards cleaning up this mess we have created. Because for now, this is no utopia.